Assalamu alaikum. Hi, hello. Welcome to Dr. Zahir Math. Today in this video, we are going to solve example 1 from 6.5 arc length. Only one question. After that, there are two more questions are there regarding the surface area, but I'll make it as part 2. So this is 6.5 part 1. Okay, right. So the question is about finding the arc length of a curve between 2 points. So your topic students often find it very tricky. So I'll guide you step by step using the arc length formula. Let's begin. So let me give you the arc length formula. This is the questions are lengthy, but there is nothing to discuss because it keeps on going. Only thing is you should be very careful in the integration. That's it. So let me give you the formula for arc length. Okay. So arc length, the formula is given by, right, integral a to b and square root of 1 plus dy divided by dx the whole square times dx. Right. So what's the question? Find the arc length. This is the question of the graph of the point a equals 8 comma 2 to 27 comma 17. So integration is going on with respect to x. So this is the x point and y point, and this is the x point and y point. So you're going to take only the x point, right? Yes. So it means it goes from 8 to 27. Keep in your mind. Okay, let's start the question. So first y is equal to, it is given 3x to the power of 2 by 3 minus 10. We want dy by dx. So dy divided by dx is equal to 3, and what is the derivative of x power n? X power n minus 1. So this 2 by 3 will come down 2 by 3 x to the power of 2 by 3 minus 1, because n is coming here and n minus 1. Your n is equal to how much? 2 over 3. And then the derivative of minus 10 is what? 0. So dy by dx is equal to 3 gets cancels. You will get x to the 2x to the power of 2 by 3 minus 1. Okay. So dy by dx is equal to 2x to the power of 2 by 3 minus 1. You put in the calculator 2 by 3 minus 1, which is equal to 2 minus 3 by 3, which is minus 1 by 3. You can directly put in the calculator. So this is minus 1 by 3. So dy by dx is equal to 2. And if you have x power minus 2, you can write 1 by x square, right? If you have x to the power of minus 1 by 3, you can write what? X to the power of plus 1 by 3. So this is 1 divided by x to the power of 1 by 3. So this is your dy by dx. But what is the rule? Dy by dx the whole square. So I want dy by dx the whole square. So dy by dx the whole square is equal to 1 divided by x to the power of 1 by 3 the whole square. Okay, right. So what happens now? So this equals dy by dx the whole square is equal to 2 square is 4, and this 2 goes down, that is 1 divided by x to the power of 1 by 3 the whole square, which is equal to 1 divided by x to the power of 1 by 3 multiplied by 2 is 2 by 3. So 1 divided by x to the power of 2 by 3. So this is dy by dx the whole square. Again, I'm telling the problem is lengthy, but nothing to think in your mind. It keeps flowing. Okay, right. So let's go to the formula. So again, I will write the formula. Okay, right. What is the formula? The formula is integral a to b square root of 1 plus dy by dx the whole square times dx. Right. So this equals integral a to b. Just now I said it. It goes from what? 8 to 27, because this is the x limit. So square root of 1 plus dy by dx the whole square. Just now I calculated this one. Okay. So which is 4 divided by x to the power of 2 by 3 dx. Right. So I'm going to do simple modification so that I can go for substitution, because I told you in the substitution method, which is 6.2, if you find any difficulty in the integrations, any terms are which is odd in the sense you are not able to integrate directly, so please go for substitution method. This is the very powerful method for any types of integration. Right. So this equals integral 8 to 27 square root of, I'm going to take now common term, LCM, you can say like that. So when I take this one, here it will be x to the power of 2 by 3. I have to multiply this, okay. So this is x to the power of 2 by 3 plus 4 times dx, okay. So this equals integral 8 to 27, right. One thing you keep in your mind, if you have in square root a by b, I can write square root a, I can write square root b. Also, I can write a to the power of 1 by 2 divided by b to the power of 1 by 2. Because square root means we can write power 1 by 2. So what happens now? What I'm going to do, x to the power of 2 by 3 plus 4 square root divided by x to the power of 2 by 3 square root. I'm making this one first, okay. Step by step, I'll do slowly, no problem. So integral 8 to 27, right. This is x to the power of 2 by 3 plus 4, the whole power 1 by 2. I wrote it according to this idea. Similarly, this also x to the power of 2 by 3 to the whole power 1 by 2. Okay, into dx. So this equals integral 8 to 27 x to the power of 2 by 3 plus 4 the whole power half. So in the denominator, look at here, x to the power of 2 by 3 to the power 1 by 2. So what I will do, I will multiply this one. 2 by 3 multiply 1 by 2. So 2 gets cancelled. What you will get? X to the power of 1 by 3. So you will get divided by x to the power of 1 by 3 and then dx. Clear? Right. So after this, you cannot do any substitute, any simplification. So the best way is I have to go for substitution method. Okay, right. So what is substitution method? The term which is very much complicated, we will call it as u, right? So let's call u is equal to, the complicated term is x to the power of 2 by 3 plus 4, right? What is substitution method? You have to convert everything, all these things in terms of what? T or u. Sometimes some teachers, they use t. So u, right. So now I'm going to find out du by dx, derivative of this one. So what is the derivative of x power n? It is n x power n minus 1. What is the derivative of number? 0. So 2 by 3 x to the power of 2 by 3 minus 1 plus 0. So this equals du by dx is equal to 2 by 3 x to the power of 2 by 3 minus 1 is what? 2 minus 3 by 3, or in the calculator you can put it, which is equal to minus 1 by 3, right? So this is minus 1 by 3. So du by dx is equal to 2 by 3 and 1 divided by x to the power of 1 by 3. Okay, because I'm bringing down 2 power minus 1, I can write it as 1 by 2. Now look at here, I have to convert everything in terms of u, right? I call u as x to the power of 2 by 3 plus 4. So it means what? This is going to become u. Clear? Right. Now I want dx divided by x to the power of 1 by 3. I have to take it from here. How can I take it? There is a dx here. There is a x to the power of 1 by 3 is there, right? So dx should be on the top and x to the power of 1 by 3 should be in the down. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take dx here because it's divide here, so it's multiply. So what I will do, du is equal to 2 by 3 and dx goes that side divided by x to the power of 1 by 3. Again look into the step. I want dx divided by x to the power of 1 by 3. So keep this dx divided by x to the power of 1 by 3 this side. Take this term other side. 3 is dividing, so it will come as multiply. 2 is multiplying, so it will come as divide into du. So you just look here. Dx divided by x to the power of 1 by 3. This part, okay. This part changes to what? 3 by 2 du. So this is going as 3 by 2 times du. Okay, right. So everything is converted into u. This is the limits for what? X. This is the limit for what? X. But now our integration is converting in terms of what? U. So I have to find the limits for u. Right. Yes. So when x is equal to 8, right? U is equal to, let me take the equation of u, x to the power of 2 by 3 plus 4. So u equals x to the power of 2 by 3 plus 4. So I'm going to put x is equal to 8 to the power of 2 by 3 plus 4. Put it in the calculator directly. You will get 8. When x is equal to 27, am I right? Lower upper limit is 27. Yes. So this equals u is equal to x to the power of 2 by 3 plus 4. So u is equal to 27 to the power of 2 by 3 plus 4 in the calculator. Okay, right. So in the calculator you are going to put it, again I'm saying in the calculator. Keep in your mind, if you do it on your own you will make mistakes. So if you put in the calculator you will get 13. So u is equal to 13 and u is equal to 8. So what happens to the integration? The integration changes to 8 to 13, right? And look at here. This part goes as what? U to the power of 1 by 2. This is u, this is power 1 by 2. This is 3 by 2 times du. So this is u to the power of 1 by 2 and 3 by 2 times du. Right. So this equals, now 3 by 2 is a constant. Let me take it out. Integral 8 to 30 u to the power of 1 by 2 into du. So now I'm supposed to integrate this one. What is integral of x power n? It is x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. There is a constant, so no plus c. So now I have u to the power of half. So which is du and this is dx. Okay. So which is equal to u to the power of half plus 1 divided by half plus 1. What is half plus 1? Which is equal to 3 by 2. So this is u to the power of 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 and the limits is 8 to 13. Okay, right. So this equals 3 by 2. Okay, right. Let me see this one. This 3 by 2, I'm going to flip it as 2 by 3. Okay, then u to the power of 3 by 2. Okay, and to the power of 8 and 13. So 8 and 13, right. So this equals 3 gets cancelled, 2 gets cancels. So we are going to put upper limit substitution minus lower limit substitution. When you put in the calculator, you are getting 24.2447 is your answer. Clear all of you? Right. So this finishes your arc length. It's very important. Only thing is you need to understand the derivative and small adjustment you need to do, right? If this video helped you to understand the concept clearly, please like, share and subscribe. Check out the full GSMA 102 playlist. Everything you need for success is there. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing. Again, I'm saying East or West, Dr. Zahir Math YouTube channel is the best. Take care all of you. Bye bye.